All right. I think we're good. Hello. I'm early. I know. I'm early. Hello. Welcome to the stream, everyone. I'm just gonna go ahead and have all of our stuff on the screen refresh, so we should be good to go. Theoretically, we should be good to go. We are live. All right. I think we're good to go. I have it set up, so we should be okay. We should be good, theoretically. I don't know if we are, but we should be good. All right. Let me send out our notifications. Say we're back live. All right. Here we go. Okay, we should be good to go. Hello, welcome to the stream, everyone. It's been a while. I know I'm early, but that is all right. I'm sometimes early, I'm sometimes late. We are going to be doing some FiveM today. We're just going to mess around with it. We're going to install some resources and stuff, and just have some fun, because I haven't made a video in a little while. Videos are coming, by the way. I'm working on them. They just take a little bit of time to do, so I will be getting to those very soon. Hopefully the audio is good. Everything sounds okay. I don't have my normal setup 100% back to where it's supposed to be, so if you have any problems with the audio or anything, let me know down in the chat. Anyway, let's get straight into this one. Let's work on some FiveM stuff. Why don't we take a look at what's new? I've been out of town for a month, so I have a lot of new stuff we can catch up on. We have anti-AFK, we got a ban system. We're gonna do anything standalone today, so we're just gonna take a look at some standalone resource. Oh, this is one that I wanted to take a look at that we tried to do the other week, that didn't work properly, so maybe this is one we can take a look at. So this adds stunt smoke to the back of your planes. Works as standalone. Let's go ahead and check out this one first. Let's see how this goes. Not bad stunt plane smoke. So it adds smoke when you do /red stunt smoke or blue stunt smoke. All right, let's go ahead and try this. Let's download it as a zip file. And then just like all of our other resources, if you've never seen any of our videos before, you're gonna just go ahead and drag it into your server data resources folder. And then you're gonna just rename it, get rid of the -main from GitHub, and take the name of it. Very easy. Server.cfg. Add it in here. Ensure the name of the resource. Not bad stunt plane smoke. Very cool. And then I don't think there's anything else we need to do. Go ahead and check this. Check the server files. We're all good. So let's start up our server, which I haven't done in a month and a half. So hopefully it starts up properly and we're good to go. Hello, everyone. Welcome to the stream. I know there's going to be less people here than normal, but I just wanted to say hello. Hopefully you're doing well. If you're in chat, go ahead and say hello. I will love to interact with all of you. It doesn't seem like all my chat messages are showing up at the moment, so if there's a problem, please let me know down in the chat if you can. All right. Perfect. We have started it up. Let's check our console, make sure we have started resource stunt smoke. We are good to go. All right, so let's go ahead and start FiveM, which I haven't done in a very long time. So let's go ahead and start FiveM. And hopefully we can get in here. So the command is just red stunt smoke and blue stunt smoke and stop smoke. And then we need that stunt airplane. So I guess we can spawn that through V menu and we should be good to go. So let's hope FiveM starts up quite quickly. Hello, everybody. I see the viewers hopping in and out, but I don't see any chat messages. So if you're here, make sure to say hello. And let me know if there's anything wrong with the audio or anything. I think everything is fine today. It's been a while since I've even touched not OBS, XSplit or anything, but I think everybody can hear me. I think everything's going to be okay. So please let me know if that's not the case. I would fix that right up. But let's hop in game here. Let's take a look at this, and hopefully it's a cool resource. Maybe we can just play around with it a little bit. All right. Come on, FiveM. Let's not take forever today. Get some good music playing in the background. So I've been on vacation for the past 2-3 weeks now. Quite a while. I've been on vacation for quite a while is the answer to that. And it's been interesting. All right. We're almost loaded in, 82%. We're getting there. We are almost loaded in. It is taking a while, though. I wish this game loaded faster than it did. All right, there we go. Now we're in. So we still have all our resources that we installed last month when I was live streaming, which was quite a while ago. But at least we have them in here. Happy Saturday, by the way. It's still Saturday for you. I know we have a couple international viewers where it's not Saturday, but all right, stunt plane. Let's go ahead and spawn that, and let's go to an airfield. Military base is probably the closest. We'll go over here to the airfield. We'll go ahead and spawn our plane. So we got to find the stunt plane. Hey guys, how you doing? So we're gonna find a stunt plane. That's not what I wanted to open. That is not the stunt plane. Oh boy, what is the stunt plane called? Not the stunt plane. I'm gonna have to spawn like every car in here to find the stunt plane. That's the jet. I'm doing all right. That's not the stunt plane. I should have known that. That is also not the stunt plane. Nope. Ultralight? Nope. Miljet? Nope, that's for sure not it. Huh. I can't find the stunt plane. I'm pretty exhausted from my trip, but overall I'm doing pretty well. There it is. I found it. All right. So now if we do /start blue smoke, that's not the command. What's the command? It is start red stunt smoke. Red stunt smoke. Oh, there we go. So it started. Okay. Oh boy. Stuff is exploding behind me. We're gonna ignore that. So we have this red smoke, which is cool. Maybe I wish they would let the trail stay for longer, because it seems like it's only having a small, it only stays for like a fraction of a second. So I wish they would add it for a long time. And then the other command is blue stunt smoke. I can't type while flying. And now we have a combination. Oh no, it changed to blue fully. So I like actually this blue cyan type smoke. That's pretty cool. I like it. Hey, what's up? Been watching you develop videos for a little while. It helped me a lot. Are you watching the FivePD development videos, or are you watching the Minecraft development videos? Either way, very cool. Glad they're helping. I'm gonna do more FivePD in a bit. We just opened custom callout commissions on our my company to do custom callouts, but eventually we'll do those for 2.0 and stuff. All right, and then obviously to stop the smoke, I think it's stop smoke, if I remember correctly. And that should stop the smoke. Yeah, very good. Very cool. Nice, nice. All right, that's a cool resource. I'm glad that this one actually has multiple colors. I remember when we added the other one last time when I streamed last month, I think, and it only worked with black smoke. So I'm glad we have red and blue now. Your FiveM videos? Yeah, they're really cool. I do enjoy doing them. There's going to be more soon. I've been out of town, but I'm getting back into it now. So I'm glad you have been enjoying them. There will be more coming soon. Hey, that guy Proxy, how you doing? We're just installing some resources today because I've been out of town for a while. So first one we looked at is add stunt smoke. Very cool. Wish they had more colors, but overall it's still pretty cool. Let's see what else we got in here. We're looking for anything standalone, pretty much. Take a look at this helicopter. We haven't done a model in a while. Like a police helicopter. It's only a model, like a, not a model, a texture pack. That's sad. Where are they releasing 2.0 since GTA Police mods is gone, and is it still happening, and when can I get 5P currently? So let's talk a little bit about GPM and 5PD real quick. 5PD will have their own site before 2.0 goes live. They are working on it now. And It's coming. I can't tell you when. I don't know myself, but it is coming. So just keep an eye out for it. It's coming soon, eventually, probably within the next month. But they will have downloads and callouts and everything else available there. In the meantime, we have a link in our Discord, or if you're in the GTA Police Mods Discord, there is a link to download 5PD temporarily, which still works. So that is where that is. 2.0 will be delayed. Yeah, it's not going to come out when they said it was. It's going to be a while. But if you want to download callouts for us right now, all our callouts are on GitHub. But other people's may be around the place. I made them all available on GitHub the day that GTA Police Mods closed, but they're around the place if you need them. Yeah. Hopefully that kind of clears it up a little bit, but it's coming. The site's eventually coming, but it's gonna be a while. Let's take a look at what else has FiveM been up to. An improved flashlight. Ooh. Go ahead and download it. Weapon attachments, flashlights. Alright, let's download it. It's awesome. Even though I have a NVE in, so it's probably going to override whatever this resource does. Still worth checking out. Let's drag this in. I just put it in my manager's class. That's not what I wanted to do. Put it in my resources folder. And then server-side visuals. So this has all the stuff we need in here. I'm just going to take the name of this folder and we'll start it manually in game. All right, start a resource. Let's take a look at our weapons. So if we grab a weapon, does this have a flashlight on it? It does not. Does this have a flashlight on it? It does not. So let's get our weapons that have flashlights. Remove all weapons. And then I have a loadout with flashlights on it. So we can load this loadout. Let's pull out a gun. And it's daylight, so I can't see anything. So I'm going to set the time to night. There we go. Okay, so when it's actually pointed at something, it looks brighter. I see that. It's less bright when it's like you pointing it at the ground, but it's more bright when you point it at an object. I don't know if I like that. It's a cool resource, but I don't know. I would prefer if it was like something based off my graphics pack. But overall, it's still pretty cool. Hey, I miss streaming too. It's been a while since I've been able to actually get in here and stream, so I've been out of town. I haven't actually touched FiveM or Windows in a month, so I was very happy to get back and try out a bunch of stuff. So I'm glad to finally be back. I actually got in a couple hours ago, but I've been doing work till now. I got a bunch of work later, so I decided to start this a little early so we had a little bit more time. I was really gonna start at 1, but am I back for good? I mean, I go on trips a lot, but other than that, I'm back for a while. I'm starting school next week. I have a 13-hour class every day for Monday to Friday next week. Just for 1 week, though. Then my normal schedule starts where it's only about 3 classes a day for the next 6 months. Stop going on trips. Yeah, I need a break, though, from school. I just can't bring my computer with me when I go down to LA because I fly from up in the Bay Area. Bringing a whole PC would be hard. Specific exterior. So does this just add like barriers next to the bank? Oh, we can try it. There's no point in... That's not what I wanted to do. We can try it. I'm just going to try every single free resource for a while. Just to see what's up. See how it goes. I know, I so miss doing videos. Luckily, when I went out of town this time, I had the ability to pre-record videos. So I had everything but the last week, which is why I'm streaming today rather than making a video. Because I didn't have any ready. but I'm glad I'm finally able to make a video. Yeah, so maybe that players don't go into the like bank interior, probably. Though I swear the stairs kept you from doing that anyway. All right, so this is what this map adds. These are just like physical objects. Oh, didn't mean to do it. Whoops. So these are just like physical objects that are here. So if I go ahead and steal a car, theoretically, this could stop the car. Yeah, it is good for public service. I've been in some public service where it's just a nightmare. So, yep, it's a physical object. So yeah, there's no way to get into there if you have this. Oh, people barricade themselves from getting in. Oh. Well, yeah, I don't think there's any way in unless you can like kind of like loop it on the side of the building, which I'm going to try real quick, but I don't think it's going to work. Nope. So, good resource. Keeps people from getting in. Works out pretty well. I like it. Oh, knocked over someone on the sidewalk. All right. Very cool resource though. The PD garage exterior. Hold on, I'm getting beat up in game. All right. Handled. What am I looking at? Is that something I passed? PD garage. Ah! Let's see what you're talking about. I did pass it. What is this? Four gates set, grills close to the windows, lights, and more. Oh, I'll install it. Do you happen to know where this actually ends up? Good question for me to ask. Is this the garage near Mission Row, or you happen to know which garage this is? I'll go ahead and copy this, throw it in game. So, it's a YouTube link.
Sometimes I come out as big.
Can people not put music in their testing ones? Okay, so it's... I see where it is. All right. It's downtown. Wherever downtown is around here. Police station. It's this garage here. So this map adds like a bunch of different... Like, oh, it adds the gates. Okay, I see. So it adds like the gates in here. Okay, so this makes it just like a more realistic underground building. The gate doesn't actually close all the way, I don't think. I think it's a little weird. Like, it's hard to see, but it kind of floats off the ground. They're all floating off the ground and they don't close all the way. But, well, whatever. Still a cool resource. Hello! Welcome, new person in chat. Simbad. Were you here last time for the last streams in December? I don't remember. My brain's a little... I know some people in here I remember. But it has been a while for me. I've been really busy. But yeah, cool. Cool resource there. Let's see what else we got. Only if the fireworks was a standalone. Yeah, okay. Now I remember. Were you here for the server one? I think that's one that I remember. Hello. So how's everybody doing? I keep explaining how I'm doing, but I'm not asking how you guys are doing. How are you doing? Hopefully well. Ooh, a race cart? Race cart? Racetrack? Adds a MLO to enlarge the circuit. Where is this? Oh, it's right next to the... Oh, interesting. Interesting. Is it gonna make me download this? Can I download it directly? Yes, I can. That makes my life easier. Let's check out this. This seems like a cool track. All right, let's try it. Watch my game crash. I swear it will at some point. One of these resources is gonna crash my game today. I'm calling it now. It's somewhere around here. Here? Yes. Okay. Where's the starting line? Ah, here we go. I guess this is where I come from. Now, I don't have Go-kart track or Go-kart itself, but I'm gonna try. Hello, Think First. Hopefully you're doing well. So in order, I will use this as my Go-kart. All right, let's do this track. So we get on the track. I guess we start over here. Okay, start line. Go. Aren't there karts in normal GTA? Yeah, I think there are. I just don't know the name of it or the category. This is the only kart that I know of, like, by heart, because I use it in 5PD videos. Oh, you have to do the MLO on Tebex. Okay, well, whatever. We can have the YMAP version. Okay. Thank you for the spawn codes. I'll try those in a moment. I'll go through the track once on this, and then I'll do it on a proper go-kart. See what the difference is. Oh, that's a cool little track. Maybe a couple jumps would have been cool. But then again, anytime a car hits a jump in GTA, it flies off a map, so you can't have everything you want. But yeah, this is the cool use of this area, because this area is completely useless. I would love if someone would make like a Y map where this whole thing is like a concert ground and there's like a concert going on, or if they even made a Y map of the interior of that stadium as like a concert. I know there's one as like a boxing arena and stuff, but I would love to see a concert. All right, let's check out that vehicle spawn code that you guys are putting in chat. Thank you for that. It is Vito 2 is faster. Okay. Oh, there are go-karts. Oh, okay, I see now. Yeah, this is much better than the go-kart tug thing. Go-kart tug? Airport tug. Oh my god, this is really fast. Why is this so fast? I don't think this goes this fast in real life. I've been go-karting a lot, but I don't think it goes this fast in real life. It also takes these turns a lot better. Oh boy. All right, we're alive. Ow. Okay. Cool. Oh, we hit a wall. This gets air pretty easily. All right, very cool resource though. I like it. Yeah, there's go-karts. It's cool. I guess this is a newer update than I'm used to. But whatever. They have the arena with a config to set up to a concert? Really? Oh, that's awesome. Does it actually do things, or does it just is this team? I want to take a look at this. Well, I'm not gonna obviously buy it. I want to take a look at it. Is it this team, or is it a different team? Maze Bank Arena. I'm looking. I don't think this is all of them, is it? Maybe I'm looking on the wrong place. Oh, it's a different person. I am useless today. Ignore me, please. Because I'm really bad. Is it this one? I think it's this one, right? Okay. Verify I'm human. I am human. Ah, I see, I see. Oh, that's cool. I'm gonna mute this so I don't get copyrighted. So it has like an entire entry. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. Great job by that team. You can get all their MLOs for $15 a month. Well, that's pretty good of a deal. I mean, depending on your budget for your server, at least. And if you make any money from your server. But pretty cool. I like it. Very cool. Maybe if they reach out to me, I'll do a video on it. 2 new 24/7 locations? Where would these be added? Alta and Paleto Bay. Well, we can try the Paleto Bay one. Worth trying a Paleto Bay one. I would like to see a 24/7 in Paleto Bay. So let's start that up. We have not crashed yet today. It's much more stable than it was last time I was here. Last time I was here, this thing crashed like every hour. Or every time I refreshed the game. One of the two. Alright, so there's a 24/7 somewhere in Paleto. I'm guessing it's the gas station. I may be wrong. But I may be right. Ooh. Oh, I died. Wow. I thought I had more health than that. Clearly I did not. And now I'm all the way in. Oh, I'm kind of close to Paleto. Where am I? Actually, I'm not. Like, I kind of close to Paleto. Actually not. The other gas station? Like the one... This one? Is it this store? Oh, it is this store. They could do both gas stations. Hey, FiveM crash. See, I knew it was going to happen. I knew it was coming. It was going to happen at some point. Can't make it through one day without a FiveM crash. I knew it was happening, man. Oh boy, restarting the game. Here we go again. Gotta love when that happens. What's up? I'm doing well. Kind of. How are you doing? Other than the game crashes. I'm doing good. How are you doing? Do you have any free Pillbox Hill interiors? Pillbox Hill. I'm trying to remember if I did a video on it. Hey Rex, welcome. I'm trying to remember if I did a video on Pillbox Hill's interiors. I might have. Hold on, I'll check the playlist. Let's see. FiveM playlist. Let's see if there's a Pillbox Hill interior in there. Wherever I put the FiveM interior. There it is. Let's see. I'm searching for you. I swear I have. There's no way for me to search the playlist. I gotta search the whole channel. Alright, YouTube. Thanks for that feature. Pillbox. I have a Pillbox Hills hospital interior. And by the Pillbox Hills, like, interior, do you mean... What in the world? Oh, it's... I was... Okay, this is confusing me. I did a video right before I left town on a custom Vinewood sign. So I'm like, what in the world? It's BGHDDevelopment. I like that. It's cool. Do you mean the Pillbox Hills, like the main downtown police station? If so, I've done multiple videos on those, I think. But the hospital I have done a video on. Do you want the hospital link? I can send you the link to the hospital video. Because I do have that one. That one I do for sure have. I don't know if it was a paid or a free interior, but I do. Okay, let me send you that one. Because I have the link for that one up. So let me put this in chat for you. Pillbox. I don't exactly know which one this is, but oh, Rex did it. Rex beat me to it. Thanks, Rex. Yeah. I've had that issue where half the city would crash people's games. Do you know how to fix? It's normally an MLO. One of your MLOs or YMAPs is broken. This is cool. I like this. I like this gas station. How do you get this one in Polito? Here's the resource link. I'll throw this one in chat for you. I can beat Rex putting this one in chat. There you go. I just tried that one out. You can try this one out. It's they also have one for Alta as well, which is the top one, which I think actually looks more modern than the other 24/7s. But this one in Polito Bay is cool. I wish they would add one to the other gas station. If you know which gas station I'm talking about, it's the one over here. Is it over here? I swear it's over here. It's this one. I wish there was an interior for this one. For the crashing, it normally means some MLO in the city is broken to it. Something's broken in one of your MLOs or YMAPs is normally what the crashing issue means. I should make one. I am not a map designer. Not it anywhere at all. Unfortunately, I'm not, but I would be selling maps if I could, but I am not a map designer. Real time server lock. Ooh, a boat dock. Is this for Sandy? Oh, it's just added more lights to the boat dock at the heliport. Well, we can take a look at it. There is no harm in not taking a look at the resources tonight. We're just taking a look at anything we can take a look at. We're going to take a look at. I'm feeling good being back. So let's check it out. This was a pretty simple one, but let's take a look at it. All right, we've started up. Let's hop into slew mode, free cam, whatever you call this thing. Let's head over to the heliport. It's not a full interior. Yeah, a lot of the full interiors for any building will be paid. They won't be free, unfortunately. All right. So apparently this YMAP MLO thingy added more lights over here at night. Oh, I love the NB lights over there. Okay, so this just added a bunch more lights down here on the docks. If the person who made this is watching, maybe add them around the other docks, because it's pretty dark down here when it's nighttime. What about the pillbox hospital near the MRPD? Trying to think which one you mean. You mean this one? Hold on. Do you mean this hospital? This the Central Los Santos Hospital? I don't think I've done a video on one, and I haven't seen a YMAP for it. Thanks so much for the videos to help me out a lot. I'm glad to help. Hopefully, if you mean FiveM videos, hopefully they're working out for you. We got more coming soon. Not this one. The other one. The other one. Trying to think. Because there's that one. There's this one. The one near the highway. This one? This, like, the ER one? If you mean this, the one that I did the video on, I don't know of any other interiors for. That's the only one I know of. The one that I did the video on. Oh, boy. What are we working on right now? We're just installing a bunch of different resources. Taking a look at stuff. Oh, well, luckily you're at a hospital. Oh, he's gonna be after me. I'll deal with that. Yeah, we're just working on a bunch of different resources. So in terms of an interior for that, the only one I know of is the one I did the video on. But that's the only one I know of. Getting a player's position with a chat command. We've done a video, I think, on that before. Rex sent the video link above in the chat to the interior of the hospital one. I see you're using the Andy framework or economy system. I did a video on it. That's why it's in here. But I liked it. It's cool. That's just states. You don't have to worry about that. It's more for development. Glad they have been helpful for your 5PD server. Very glad to hear that. I got to make an updated 5PD install with the temporary download, but I haven't gotten around to it. I'll try to do that this week. Though, probably not going to happen this week. It's probably going to happen next week, but I'll see what I can do. Sandy Shores Community Event Center. Is this just like somewhere in the community? It requires a map builder. I don't really know about this one. I'm gonna skip this one because I don't understand what the map builder system is. FYI, if you upgrade to the new ESX Legacy framework, you will have to modify your scripts. If they are not already updated, it will throw errors. It's an easy fix for me. Well, they always seem to be updating something that breaks something else. So I'm glad you figured it out, though. I can add a note to our old ESX video about that. Though most people could use QB Core or the easy installer through TXAdmin, which probably already updates the scripts. So, you know. Free orbit cam. Ooh. Oh, that's cool. This is more a development thing, but you could probably create some cool development things with this. Hands up and surrender. Do I make my own FiveM scripts or just installing and testing them? So here's my thing with FiveM. I have a couple custom scripts that I have made over the years for our 5PD videos, for things we do like that. Most of the ones we've made custom have been just simple things that make it easier for our recordings. For example, I have one that is for our loadouts, and I fix scripts that are broken that we still use on our server, stuff like that. In terms of fully custom stuff that I make, would be limited mainly for FiveM to 5PD callouts. I enjoy making those a lot more than I do scripts. They're fun to make. I like doing different scenarios with them. So I do make those on my own. And then we actually just opened up commissions for them. So if anybody ever wants custom 5PD callouts, we do make those as a service now that we got permission from 5PD's developers, now that they're separated from GPM. So we're doing that as well. But kind of is the answer. I guess that's kind of what I was saying. My server that you checked out a few months ago shut down recently. Oh, Zap had a major error and they even corrupted our backups. We couldn't recover. That doesn't sound good. I would recommend you discuss that with them. Did they like give you money back or something? Because that seems like a big problem. I would not be happy with them. That's for sure. Hey, can you do something for me? I made a video on how to get a police pack into your FiveM server. Can you tell me if I did it right? Like, you uploaded a video on it? I don't know if I can look at your channel by clicking on it. I don't exactly know. I don't have that set up, at least at the moment. What's it called on your channel? I can look for it on my second monitor. It's on TT. I don't know what that means. I may be just dumb, but I don't know what that means off the top of my head. TikTok. Oh, Okay, Rex. Okay. All right. Okay. TikTok. Got it. Okay. I could take a look after. PM me on Discord. But I'll take a look after. You were reimbursed 1 month's payment because the error affected others, but only for us, the working backup was from October 31st. Wow. I would push more than one. That would be my... If they corrupted our backups and everything... Now, this is a good lesson. You should always take backups on your own. GitHub backups, whatever you want to do. We actually, for some of the stuff we do on my campus, we take backups every night at midnight. So we really should always use that as a lesson. But Zap should be held responsible for that. They had that data breach a little while ago. Or FiveM had the data breach. Zap, whatever. You know what I'm talking about. Zap needs to be... They should have been more careful about it. I'm not a fan of Zap, personally. They've asked to sponsor this channel before, and I've said no. I have TikTok. I love TikTok. TikTok is great. Rex, you're missing out. You're missing out on 8 hours of doing it. Nothing. Sounds like they got hit with ransomware and don't want to admit it. A lot of companies don't admit it. I mean, I don't know because I haven't like looked at anything from them in a long time. But I don't know that, you know, I don't know. Zap is the only one allowed to offer advertised FiveM hosting. So another host cannot advertise FiveM game servers. Other hosts have to advertise game server, and then it has to have a home directory access for the user, which is stupid, but FiveM wants money, so that's what they did. Safer gas stations. Yeah, if we do restart, we'll be using a VPS instead. I'll check them out. I highly recommend using a VPS. Use a VPS, set up your own backups every night. Do it properly like that. Never rely on third-party hosts to back up your data. Because clearly they can't be trusted. I've had it happen to me too. So, you're not alone. That's when I learned the lesson of always backing up your own data. Like every single one of our videos on our channel, all 1,200 of them are backed up to a Dropbox, which costs me a lot of money per month, but they're all backed up. So every source video and every edited video is backed up in case, you know, in case of that. Do you know any gas station scripts? What type of scripts? Like fuel scripts? I've done videos on FR Fuel and Easy Fuel or whatever they call them. They're all on the channel. Safer gas stations. What does this actually do? Does it just put like a barrier around the gas? It does. Oh, we can download it and try it out. Why not? FiveM. So it has a safe gas folder. It has a single player version too. It's awesome. Start. Rex may be able to send the video if he's able to. Can send the video on FR Fuel. That's the one I recommend. Safer gas station. So the one gas station that I know of that I use in every single 5PD video is the one out in Sandy. So let's go ahead and take a look on that. Oh, like holding the pump. God, what is the name of the fuel script like that? I know the one. I swear I've done a video on it. It's not FR Fuel, but it's a different one. Maybe someone in chat knows. I don't remember the name, but FR Fuel is like the basic one that doesn't require the actual getting out of the vehicle. So this just adds... Okay, we're going to test this. We're going to throw a car into this, and we're going to see if it actually works. But there's a bunch of different fuel scripts. It's a free one. Yeah, they're... Legacy Fuel? Maybe it's Legacy Fuel. Yeah, it's based off Legacy Fuel. That's... Yeah, okay. Yeah, so fuel pump nozzles, which is based off like, so it's like a combination of stuff. Watch this still explode. Oh no. Okay. See, I knew I covered it. Rex, did we cover it? I swear we did. So I swear I'm gonna kick this at some point, and this is gonna explode. Or at least I'm trying to make it explode. Yeah, there you go. We did cover it. Awesome. All right, well, this seems pretty protected. Let's try the other gas station in Sandy. In NVE, are your trees bright during the day? Well, I mean, it's during the day. I'll make it more during the day, and you can let me know if it kind of you see it on my screen or not. Let me know if you see it on my screen. But it doesn't seem like the trees are bright. So this doesn't have protection. Clearly. But trees bright? No. Not really. And in terms of how to fix it, I would try messing with all these. Shift enter if you've never used this menu before. I think they changed it on the newest one. But that's what I would do first. So for the legacy fuel thing, I think you need the extra resource for the pumps themselves. Like the fuel pump handles is a actual part of it. What is my favorite framework? Oh boy. I don't have any targeting. All right, dude. My favorite framework has to be standalone. I don't actually like using frameworks like QB-Core, ESX, and all those. If I had to pick, I would pick QB-Core as a base framework. Though, I don't actually like them. All my servers I have ever made outside of videos have been standalone resources. They're just a bunch of standalone resources thrown together. Are you making a 5PD or a QB-Core server? We are. This is a standalone 5PDs we can throw on here in a bit. But it's pretty much a standalone. We're just messing with the different resources that we find on the forums today. All right, let's see if this gas station's protected. So this one has protection. So at least this one does. The other one didn't. Well, not protection against me being an idiot, but it does have protection. So that's pretty cool. Nice resource. Or at least try to be a nice resource. Is this it? What do you mean? No, my trees aren't bright. I would ask in the NVE support Discord. That would be my main suggestion. They've been very helpful. They helped me customize my settings for my 4K monitors so I could still get 80, 90 FPS and record in 4K. So I do highly recommend talking to them. They're very helpful. They helped me for a couple hours last time. You got LSPDFR working. Awesome. I would love to play LSPDFR, but last time I did, the game updated like the next day and broke everything. Eventually, maybe I'll do that. Eventually, I may. Who knows? So the fuel pump nozzles is a paid add-on for Legacy. Envy is not free. It is based off a Patreon subscription, at least last time I knew about it. And I pay them monthly, so I would assume it's based off of a Patreon system. But you have a Patreon system, and then they let you download it via a download link in Discord. It's updated once a month on the 30th. But it's the best. It's the best usage of a graphics pack I've ever had in FiveM before, or GTA overall. Yeah, I'm playing it as much as I can because one update and broke again. Yeah, I got sick of reinstalling the game once a month. So I haven't played it in a while. But you know, it's how it works sometimes. Real Los Angeles postal map. This isn't gonna work because my map I think is installed client side. Maybe. Hold on. No, it's not. We can try it. I swear that was installed client side. They have a paid version and a free version. Try it out. Drag this in. What to do? Watch this crash my game. Nope. We're live. But it's not gonna work because it's doing a bit restart. How do I find these strips? I just find them on the FiveM forums. So I just literally scroll through the FiveM forums just like I've been doing in this live stream. And I look for cool scripts. That's pretty much what I do for every single one of our videos too. Have I tried Quant V? I swear that one was shut down because it deleted all the files on your computer or something. Or was that a different one? Someone can correct me if I'm wrong, but I swear Quant V was the one that was in trouble. Which one do I pay for, the graphics pack, or of all of them allows you to access it? Like, which Patreon do you use? It's the Raze Patreon. Hold on. I'll pull it up for you. It's this Patreon. I think. Yeah, you need the $10 a month one to download it. But if you support him, you get invited to his Discord and you get to download it per month. It's the gold one. Yeah. Anyone that says early access to downloads will work. Hello, Foxy. Welcome. Been a long time. It was Quant V, but I think they still update it as if nothing happened. Well, that's a bad way of doing business. Hey, I got experience coding in Lula, etc., but I don't know where to start if I ever want to create a custom resource. Is there a good tutorial out there? Well, I don't personally have tutorials on... Wow, this is an interesting map. Well, I'll talk for a second, then we'll go over the map. Well, I don't personally have tutorials on coding on FiveM. I did one. I think I did one in C#. There is a lot out there on YouTube, and then FiveM's own documentation is decent about it. It's not the best, but it's decent about coding. So what I would do is I would find something that you want to use on your own server, or you want to just mess around with, or something that already exists, and try to recreate it in your own code. That's how you get really good at it. Yeah, I do it just as I need to do it, but I normally do it in C#. I don't do it in Lula because I don't like Lula that much. But I'll post the link to when I coded a loadout script for FiveM in the chat. So I'll go ahead and throw that in the chat. But you know, it's kind of your own way of starting. I would just try to do your best on creating something that already exists and making it better. All right, let's take a look at this. So this is a postal code map designed around LA. Obviously, it is all the real locations. I don't see street names, which is one thing I don't like. But, nope, there's some street names, just not all of them. Okay. So they've done their best to put some street names in, which is fine. But not all of them. I don't wish they added more. But that's awesome. I do like the map. It's very colorful. This is the 405. Kind of the 405. Yeah, it's close enough to the 405 in real life. You know, Highway 1, but that's correct at least. See, I'm from LA, so I know where all these places are. They really like boot stuff together in GTA's world. Like, none of this stuff would be like next to each other in real life, but you know, it's how it works. It is just how it works. What do I use for my server? This one is just one that I just found online, which is the real Los Angeles Postal Map V2 free version. I don't actually know the one I use for 5PD though. I think it's just one of those free postal maps with street names on them, if I remember correctly. It's just something like that. But this is the one we're just taking a look at now. It's pretty cool. I like it. All right, let's see what else is on here. Lock NPC cars. DOJ simple commands. I swear I did a video on that. Lots of paid scripts out there, I know. Very many. There's a lot of paid scripts. A seatbelt script? All the ones that I found for seatbelt scripts are really annoying. So I haven't actually done a cover of any of them. I found scripts that do seatbelts, but every single one I actually looked at and taken any moment to check out is really annoying. Like some just don't work on can't think, controllers. Just someone needs, that's a good idea. Whoever was asking if you can code a good script, code a decent seatbelt script that actually works. I don't have a good one in mind at this moment, unfortunately. But whoever wants to code something, there's an idea for you. Seatbelt script with sound. Free engine sounds, lips. I've covered some of these in videos before. All the Christmas strips out here. There's a lot of cool stuff. There is. There's a lot of people working on FiveM development nowadays, so. Got inventories, Christmas trees, Discord permissions. I'll do a video on Discord permissions pretty soon, by the way. An updated video. The existing one still works, but people keep getting confused, so. Which playlist am I using? This is literally just the NCS playlist. Because I don't want to be copyrighted. It's just her latest like releases, I guess. Since I've been out of town for a month, I figure they have enough new songs where we can get through them in this live stream. Have I ever seen Longshore leaks? No. If it's like leaked resources, then I don't actually agree with using those. I always support developers. Being a developer myself, with our Minecraft stuff, and we deal with leakers all the time, it's not fun. Especially from a legal perspective. We're a legalized company. Like, I have to deal with a lot of the legal side of it. Leaks are really annoying. Things I can never figure out. Discord permissions, ACE permissions. ACE permissions are actually pretty easy. I did a video on them with a V menu, and I recommend you check that out if you haven't, because it may help you. They're, once you get the hang of them, they're easy. When you look at them off the start, they look really annoying. So here's a time and date viewer. Why don't we check it out? Discord, we have a video on Discord Ace Perms, but I'm gonna do an updated one at some point. The one that we have still works because people keep having issues that shouldn't be happening, so I'll do a video where I actually go over like different stuff with it, if that makes sense. All right, time and date, FiveM. Server. I guess we're gonna edit server.lua. Unless there was a config file that I missed. There was a config file in this. Show the server name. Server name. I don't know. BGHD. Thanks, Rex. Show player name. No. Show their ID. No. Date and time. Only date, only time. It's whatever offset you need. All right, let's check it out. Refresh our list. Go ahead and paste this in. And top right hand corner, hard to see, but it has the date and time and copyright server name in it. So Discord Ace Perms, the video Rex linked above, lets you connect to Discord, and then you just use the same thing with Ace Perms you normally do for in-game resources, but use your Discord identifiers rather than your ID identifiers. Okay, cool resource. Lots of cars in here. Livery packs, at least. Which script? Discord Ace Perms or the... Which one are you talking about? Sure, I guess you need to know which one. The Discord Ace Perms, it's located in the description of the video Rex linked above. Here's one note to make about Discord Ace Perms. Make sure that any of his resources, you don't change the folder name from what it is by default, like the default Discord Ace Perms or whatever. That's the most important thing to realize, because people do that all the time and it messes it up. So just make sure it's exactly what they say in the readme or I did in the video, if that makes sense. Maybe I'll do another ESX or QB core stream this week. Next week. I'm not doing any streams this week. This is my only stream this week. I got a 13-hour class every day for the next 7 days. That's going to be painful. This is some good music. Glowing Nike shoes. There's no Y map for the Pillbox Hills Hospital. Have you checked on the... You can just search on the forums. They'll pop up. There's this one. I don't know if it will learn, but... Try this one. There's no Y map for the Pillbox Hills Hospital on top, like in the description. Interesting. I don't remember removing anything. I don't think I removed it. Go to game. What do you mean? Like in the game? I don't have this. I don't have it installed in the game right now, if that's what you mean. I don't keep resources from when they're installed in videos. Normally, unless it's like a resource that I really want to use in 5PD. Oh, you can you shoot this? Oh, that's not realistic. Oh, the top right, like the date and time? Sure. Here you go. There's the date and time. If you mean like in Pillbox, like when I was over there and I couldn't walk in, I don't have it installed right now. I don't actually have the link to it either, but if it's not in the bottom of that description, then I don't know where it would have gone. But I don't have it installed right now, so I'm not gonna be able to walk in. Not here? On top? Oh, like this side. Oh. Interesting. I died. Awesome. I don't know really how you can fix that. It seems like it's kind of like, yeah, that's weird. I don't know what to tell you about that one. Maybe that fix holes in a map resource would fix that, but I can't really help you with that. That's I'd try the fix holes in the map resource, also in the FiveM playlist. We've covered that before. Maybe that will fix it. There's so many cool things out here now. Fake license plates, performance enhancers, AI police escort. We've gone over that one before. So many different cool stuff in here. Buddy systems, apartments. Thank you, Rex. Rex coming in clutch in the chat, posting all the links. Good job, Rex. So here's a question for everybody in chat. Have you watched our latest 5PD video that covered all of them from 2020 to 2020? What year am I in? 2022. I hoped it did better than it did, but it was my first video edited with Final Cut because I was on my Mac and I had to download all our videos and re-upload the pain of editing. But I hope more people watch that. I'll send you all over there after this live stream's over and you can check it out. But do you know how to fix O'Neill Farm's house? The building loads, but when I go in the house, I fall through the ground. The same link Rex sent right above you. Try that. Working gates at Grove Street. Let's see this. Going to try this one. It's crazy that my AC just went on in the background because it is pouring rain out. I would think it didn't get that hot in this apartment yet. But I never know. All right, let's refresh. Start this resource and go to Grove Street. And also turn it data down because it's way too nighttime here. Grove Street gates. So is it this Grove Street over here? Yes, it is. Hello, please give me your car. Do I know any green zone scripts? Like, oh, my controller died. Like safe zones? We've covered one of those before. Oh no, now I'm gonna get shot at by every single person down here. That was a terrible idea. Well, this gate resource, whoever developed this, why am I driving into this mess? This isn't gonna go well. Excuse me. Sorry, I'm dead. The gates don't have any sides. But I have covered a safe zone script. If that's what you're looking for, there's a safe zone script I've covered on the channel as well. You've tried that resource to fix holes in the map and it didn't work. I'm not sure then. Honestly, I'm not sure. That's one I wish I had a better answer for. But I don't know. That seems like it's a... Dude, stop following me. That sounds like it's just a FiveM issue with the holes. Maybe you can find a YMAP designed for that interior and just throw that in. Though, last time I tried it, fix holes in the maps fixed that issue. So, I can't be sure though. Sorry. I honestly don't have that much info about that. Good music. Only if I can play actual music. I was very much enjoying music over the last couple months, or over the last break for my month. But, you know, sometimes that happens. I'm gonna turn off my AC 1 second. Give me 1 moment. Okay, apparently it got 70 degrees in my apartment and it decided to turn on the AC, which is what I normally have it set to. But I turned up to 71, so hopefully it doesn't get 71 in here. It was 64 in here when I walked in this morning. Why did it get up to 70? I don't know. I'm actually interested to see what this paid sync system is. This will not work with ELS, so it just syncs the types of lights together so they look the same. Fair enough. We went over that jewelry store already. There's a lot of uniforms out here. Well, a lot of stuff. Acceleration screen shake. I don't know if we covered this one. We may have. We may have covered this. Yeah, we did. We'll try it again. We'll throw it in here. Also, thank you for 12,000 subscribers. We hit it right when I left town, but very appreciated. That didn't work. Oh, I did. I guess went to a different page. Thank you for all those subscribers. It means a lot. Glad you have been enjoying. Let's try this out. Let's refresh our in-game resources and start this one. Go steal a car. It's easier to steal a car than just grab it. So we'll run over here. Is the stream lagging? Is there any problems? I guess I want to make sure it's running smoothly. Is the game lagging at all? Just let me know if there's anything going wrong. Something just crashed and blew up. Oh no, that's the screen shake. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that screen shake. It's perfect. Great. God, that's good. So the acceleration screen shake is right when you get started. It kind of just shakes the screen a little bit. I don't like that at all. It's hard to notice. I really noticed it at first. I thought something exploded. It's like an explosion screen shake, but it's worse than that. You, sir. I missed. Well, you are lucky. Okay, so it doesn't even do it if you get up to a high speed. It's only when you get started. Well, that's ridiculous. That's stupid. Wow. What a useless use resource. Sorry, I don't really like that. Okay, well, we've reached 1:30. I've been live streaming for an hour and a half almost. So unfortunately, I'm gonna have to call it here for the day, mainly because I have to go get ready for my classes and I have a couple other things to do. So hopefully you did enjoy it. Hopefully you've had a good live stream. Thank you so much to Rex and thank first for helping and modding out in the chat, and thank you for all of you guys for tuning in. If you have any suggestions for FiveM resources you want me to cover, let me know down on Discord in the FiveM chat, or you can let me know in the comments of the videos, and just let me know how that works for you. But thanks so much for hanging out. Hopefully you had a decent day and night, or wherever you are. I didn't ask where you guys are, but it's still daytime where I am. Just afternoon where I am. But hopefully you have a good time. I gotta go do a bunch of schoolwork now, unfortunately, but have a great rest of your night to everybody. And I'll see you in the next live stream. So have a good rest of your week. Thanks everybody for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one. See you all later. Bye.